Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Governor Doug Ducey.
Hello, and thank you very much. It's a pleasure to be here today and to welcome President Biden and showcase Arizona's leadership in bringing semiconductor manufacturing back to the United States. Chairman Liu, Dr. Chang, Secretary Raimondo, Mr. Cook, Senator Kelly, Mayor Gallego, Governor-elect Hobbs, President Crow, and President Robbins, along with all our esteemed guests from near and far. It's great to be back at TSMC's Arizona facility to celebrate this major milestone. As I stand with you here today on the site of TSMC's high-tech chip manufacturing operations, I'm reminded of my first face-to-face meeting with TSMC leadership at the state capitol in 2017. Back then, this corner of Phoenix looked much different. The buildings, the cranes, the work crews, none of this was here. A lot has transpired in Arizona and around the globe since then. But one thing has remained the same. Arizona continues to offer the premier environment for advanced manufacturing anywhere in the world. This was on my mind when we discussed TSMC's vision, a vision to build one of the world's most technologically advanced chip factories on U.S. soil. I know no place would better complement their operations than Arizona, and it's a special day to now see this vision take shape. When TSMC looked at Arizona, they saw a land of opportunity. Today, TSMC has begun to transform this landscape into a global technology epicenter. There is no better proof of how important this facility will be than by President Biden's visit today. We're eager to show this impressive operation firsthand. Upon completion, this facility and the newly announced second fab will employ thousands. There is no better proof of how important this facility will be than by President Biden's visit today. We're eager to show this impressive operation firsthand. Upon completion, this facility and the newly announced second fab will employ thousands of Arizonans and have the capacity to produce 600,000 high-tech wafers a year. The semiconductor chips made right here in Arizona will drive the engines of growth far beyond the northern edge of Phoenix. These chips, TSMC's Arizona-made chips, will power economies around the world. TSMC's presence has attracted dozens of Taiwan-based suppliers expanding to Arizona, from companies such as Sunlit Chemical, Changchung, Kanto PPC, LCY Chemical, and more. To date, the total investment from supplier companies exceeds $1 billion. And we are so grateful for the many new partnerships we've been able to establish over the past few years. Those partnerships were on full display when I traveled to Taiwan in August and sat down with not just TSMC, but many of our suppliers as well. I had the opportunity to meet President Tsai Ing-wen and reaffirm Arizona's longstanding and deep commitment to Taiwan. For those in the audience that may not know, Arizona's partnership with Taiwan extends back decades. For more than 25 years, Taiwan pilots flying the F-16 fighter jet have trained at Luke Air Force Base west of Phoenix. We are proud of Arizona's role in helping Taiwan bolster its defense and protect its people. The Arizona-Taiwan relationship is truly a special one rooted in friendship and trust, and with ample opportunity to grow. When TSMC set out to build its new high-tech fab, they had all 50 states to choose from. They chose Arizona because of our robust and growing talent pool, unbeatable business environment, and unparalleled quality of life. In addition to TSMC, Arizona's semiconductor landscape includes global leaders like Intel, NXP, ON Semiconductor, Microchip, Benchmark Electronics, and more. As the U.S. semiconductor industry continues to advance in the years ahead, Arizona will be the engine powering its growth. One example of this is Apple, which recently announced it will source chips from right here in Arizona, a point of pride for our state and a huge economic win. In closing, I'd like to thank Chairman Liu, Dr. Chang, everyone at TSMC, as well as their clients and customers for joining us today. I'd also like to recognize the many partners who made this project possible. This includes 2 federal administrations, our congressional delegation, many of whom are here today, the City of Phoenix, GPEC, the Arizona State Land Department, local utilities, and more. They all played a role in passing the CHIPS Act, which will bolster the semiconductor industry nationwide. Finally, I want to recognize Sandra Watson and her team at the Arizona Commerce Authority, who have poured so much energy and dedication into this project. Today we gather in celebration with special thanks and gratitude to TSMC and all their partners. The work being done around us is that of national and international significance. And the best part is, the best is yet to come. Thank you.